Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile with a gamepad. First, ensure your gamepad is compatible with your mobile device and the game's official support. Many Bluetooth controllers like PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X controllers offer good connectivity. You will need to check your phone's operating system for specific driver requirements, or if an external application is needed, confirm that your gamepad is fully charged and ready for pairing before starting. To connect your controller, simply turn on Bluetooth on your mobile phone. Then put your gamepad into pairing mode. This often involves holding down a special button, like the share button on a PlayStation 5 controller, until the lights flash. Once it appears in your phone's Bluetooth menu, tap to connect. Occasionally, a third-party application might be necessary to bridge the connection or to ensure proper driver installation for optimal performance. Since PUBG Mobile does not have native gamepad support, you will need a reliable key mapping application. Search your device's App Store for a well-reviewed mapper, install it, and launch PUBG Mobile through that app. Once in the game, the mapping tool will overlay virtual buttons on the screen. You then drag these virtual buttons to match the on-screen controls, like movement or firing, and assign them to your gamepad's physical buttons, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Using a gamepad can significantly enhance your aiming precision and overall movement fluidity, providing a competitive edge. It requires practice, however, to build muscle memory and become proficient with the new controls. Experiment with different button layouts within your Mapper app to find what feels most natural for quick access to essential actions like shooting or reloading. Be aware that the game's matchmaking might pair you with other players who are also using external input devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.